Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back again with another video. I feel I've not done a makeup video on this channel for a very long time, and my hands have been itching me to do a makeup video, and I decided to do this soft glam makeup tutorial for beginners. If you don't know how to do makeup, maybe you're struggling to learn how to do makeup, this is the right video for you. I'll be teaching you guys how to do a soft glam makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So I'll be using this foundation by Flawless Ivy in the shade Honey. So I like applying my foundation first before doing my brows. I don't know why, but I just think that method works better for me. And if you notice, I didn't use primer on my face just because I am not going anywhere. I'm not just going anywhere in particular. I'm not going to be sweating doing this look because I want to film a video. So there was no need for me to apply a primer. I'm done with my foundation right now. I'll be using my black opal foundation in the shade Beautiful Bronze. So I'm using it to warm up my face a bit since we're doing a soft glam makeup look. I will do the same thing on the other side. I'll be going in with my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn. I'll be using that to highlight my I love the way this concealer sits on my skin. So I'll be setting everything with my powder. Then I also like to go in with my Maybelline Clear Smooth powder in the shade Cocoa. My setting powder to set my under eye. I like pressing this setting powder into my skin. I feel that's the best too. That's actually what works for me. It's time to do my brows. I'll do my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. Concealer to prime my eyes. Using my box of crayon eyeshadow palette. I've had this for a long time now and I'll be using this shade. As you can see, this is my favorite shade, that's why it is finished. So next I'll be going in with this shade, Deep Plum. It's a darker shade, just to deepen it a little bit. After that, I'll be going in with my Morphe eyeshadow in 35E. I'll be going in with this shade. I'm going in with this pink shade, and I'll be putting that on my Can you see that? I'll also go back to this box of crayon shade. I'm using the brown shade to line my under eye. I'll also dip into the Deep Plum shade. It a bit. Can you see that? Ooh, I feel this is the favorite part of my makeup. Yes. This is the end of this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. I would love to read all your comments. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.